Hey everyone, what's up guys? You're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video guys. Alright guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to actually get rid of darkness in some areas on the skin, how to get even skin tone and how to make sure that your skin has one complexion, the same complexion everywhere, okay, without this other side getting darker than other side. So we're going to be making use of carrot oil. Okay, now if you don't have carrot oil, you can as well just grab your carrot, all right, and then you would then put it about 1 tablespoon or half of a tablespoon. It's perfect for this. And then also we're going to be making use of rice powder guys. Okay, so rice powder contains an ingredient that helps to lighten up the skin. It lightens up the private area on the skin, and it also helps the skin rejuvenate. Okay, it helps to smoothen out the skin and make the skin really glowing. So you're gonna be needing your rice powder. Now I know that you won't be able to buy rice powder somewhere there, but what you do is that you have to blend your rice and then you get your rice powder basically. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking about 2 tablespoons of rice powder into my carrot oil. And then also we're going to be using turmeric powder. Now turmeric powder is a great remedy that helps so much when it comes to the skin. It lightens up the skin, remove unwanted hair, and it helps to rejuvenate and glow the skin up. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to be taking just 1 tablespoon of the turmeric powder and then mix all of them together. Okay guys, so we're going to be making use of orange, and we're going to be making use of orange juice. Now you know that orange contains a lot of vitamin C, vitamin E that helps to glow the skin, and the vitamin C in there would help to lighten up the dark areas on the skin and then remove pigment literally. So I'm gonna be squeezing in the orange juice into this treatment. Okay, so if you can't get hold of orange juice, you can equally use your lemon juice. Okay, so that is actually not enough. I'm going to be squeezing in more. Alright, so this is better. The consistency is good now. Okay guys, so let me show you how you're going to be using this. Okay, so I'm actually going to be using my hand for this because I obviously cannot show you the private skin on my body. Yep. Okay, so what you do is that you're going to be applying this onto your thigh area, you know, to get rid of the darkness around there. Okay, so this is how you're just going to rub this over. Rub it on the left and the right thigh area. Okay, so after which you've actually coat it like this. Now the next thing you're going to do is that you're going to be scrubbing it this way. Okay, you're going to be scrubbing it this way. So you scrub it in a circular motion, guys. Okay, so the thing is that it's not only at the thigh area or the private skin, you know, that you're going to be using this. You can actually use it onto your face, you know, if your face is actually darker than your body, or if your hands is actually darker than your body, you can equally use this on there, and it's literally going to help you so much to, you know, make your skin around that place lighter. So you're basically gonna be applying it and rubbing it like this basically. Okay, so after which you've done that, then you wait for a little while, you know, you wait for a little while for like three minutes, and after 3 minutes you can wash it off. You can as well just clean it off first, you know, and then when you're done cleaning, then you wash it off. That way you're going to actually see the results. Now the result is going to start right from the very first day you start applying this treatment onto your dark skin area. Okay, so it's actually gonna be very, very visible. Now for this particular one, guys, you can see it's already getting thicker. So even if you want to store it, when you want to use it, you have to press in more lemon juice or more orange juice into it and turn it. Okay, because the rice is actually a powder rice. Okay, so you turn it, and then that's when you would now be able to use it, because when you keep it this way, it's going to be thickened, and it has to be kept in the refrigerator, otherwise it's going to actually go bad. Okay, so you apply this at least once. You apply this like 5 times in a week, or you can even do it every day to effectively and quickly lighten up those dark private skin or your dark thighs. Okay, so that's it, guys. Go give this a go, guys, and I'm sure it's going to be helping you, you know, remove those darkness, and you are going to be satisfied with your skin. So do not forget to thumbs up this video, guys, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, please, and I'll see you again in another video.